Come test drive the 2009 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.